So in just over 2 weeks, Dave and I are going on our first ever cruise. Never been on a cruise before, so it's going to be quite interesting. Really looking forward to it. We're going with my parents, who are real experienced cruisers. So it's going to be an experience. And whilst we're there, it's not only Dave's birthday whilst we're on this cruise, but there's also going to be a total eclipse, which is going to be absolutely amazing. Hello, ducks. So yeah, we're going on this cruise. It's a 2-week cruise with P&O, and we will be aboard the Ventura ship. Like I say, never been on a cruise before. Really looking forward to it. The total eclipse is going to be interesting. Being on a cruise ship whilst you are on experiencing a total eclipse is just going to be something else. I'm going to take you along with me. This video has got some packing segments of what I'm taking, and I'd love for you to come and experience with me what a cruise is going to be like. So, having never been on a cruise before, we've really had to think through what we're taking. Obviously, you've got to take different things. It's a little bit more of a dressier type holiday. So I just thought I'd show you some of the bags and shoes that I'm taking. Nothing fancy, things that I've had for ages, but it's just useful, isn't it, to share things with different people and see what different people pack. This is our beach pool bag, which we take down to the pool, or if we go to the beach. I think I bought that from Matalan. I've had it ages. I probably need to replace it, to be honest. I've got a cap. Dave has got a lovely hat. Whether or not he'll wear this, I don't know. I bought that from Decathlon. Shoes wise, I've just got some sandals for by the pool. Some very flat sandals from Clarks for evening. I've got my faithful Birkenstocks, which I love. Another pair of shoes from Clarks that I thought I could wear at night. They're a bit dressier. My Teva sandals. And then, of course, formal wear. I think there's 4 formal nights on this cruise. So those are for evening for the 2 dresses that I've got. I've got 3 bags the same. My 2 are the course, so I've got a blue one, like a metallic one, which sort of goes with everything, and a black one. And then I've got a nice little clutch bag for the evening, which is in like a velvety colour. I've had that for years. I think I had that free with something. And then I've got some jewellery in this box here. I need to sort through this, what I'm actually going to take. So that is all my sort of shoes, bags type things that we're taking. Our cruise is with P&O, and we decided to take 2 large IT suitcases. These are really good suitcases. They're quite lightweight. They've got lots of room inside them. Just see if I can open it up. So they've got a bit of room there, and then they've got lots of room inside them. We're taking a smaller one as well. We have got a medium one, a blue one, but we thought we'd just take the 2 big ones and the smaller one. The smaller one, we're going to put shoes and toiletries in that one. We've got 2 backpacks. We're going down on the train, so we're going to use those for on the train for electrical stuff, maybe a few snacks, bits and pieces that we need, travel documents and such like. I've got a couple of bags that we use for when we're out sightseeing. I've got some packing cubes here. Bought those off Amazon. Really been using these packing cubes quite a lot just recently. We find them quite useful obviously for sorting into different categories of clothes. And then I bought these as well. I think I got these off Temu. Shoe holders, so keep the rest of your luggage clean. And I thought also we could use them for putting wet washing in and things like that. So that's our packing arrangements for this cruise. So we'll see if we can get it all fitted in. These are the toiletries that we're taking with us. I've got these two brilliant waterproof bags that I bought on Amazon years ago. So we have got our sun cream, a selection of 30 and 50. This is for your face. I got that free with buying something else from Boots. Deodorant, two smaller sun creams that I've made smaller in so that we can take them out for the day. Shampoo and conditioner. Apparently on board you get shampoo, so I'm only taking a small bit, but conditioner I don't think is available anymore. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Hair stuff, so VO5. I've got really thick, frizzy, coarse hair, and hair wax, some hair bands, brush, my Eastrid razor, which is really good, towel pegs for the sun loungers, nail varnish remover pads. Over here is this is like that's baby lotion, that is fake tan stuff, and face cream, perfume, hand sanitizer, lip balm, and what's that? Dental floss. And in that little tub is a little bit of Vaseline. Always find that useful. Makeup remover wipes and a scrunchie for in the shower. So that is what we're taking for our toiletries. So for daytime wear, I've got 3 pairs of shorts. These 2 are from New Look. These ones are from Halara. I've also got a black pair from Halara that I may take. I've got 4 vest tops, 2 black ones. That one's from Tesco. These 3 are from Next. And then I've got a blue t-shirt and a white t-shirt as well. I think the white t-shirt's from Tesco and that's from Matalan. And then last of all, I've got this jersey type dress, which is just a throw on quick thing to wear maybe by the pool. So yeah, so that's about it really. That's all of my daytime stuff. I'm actually taking 5 bikinis and 1 swimming costume on this holiday. I have got my Bravissimo pink bikini. I've had that for ages. Blue one as well. I like the bandeau type bikini where you don't get marks. I have got alternates for these. I have got a Pour Moi blue one with the bottoms. The same in orange. These are quite new. I've only worn these a few times. And then I've got a brand new one, which I've not worn at all. Those straps come off. This is from Never Fully Dressed. So that's a new one with quite skimpy bottom. So we'll see how we get on with that. I've also got a swimming costume. I've not worn this very much. I do tend to like bikinis more than swimming costumes. This is from Tesco. I've worn it a couple of times. As you can tell, I really like bright colours. And then I've also got some sarongs. I like when I go on holiday and I'm going to the toilet or I'm going to the bar and I don't want to get dressed, I always slip on a sarong. So I've got a pink one, a blue one, and a black one. I could really do with something that obviously goes with the orange or goes with this new one, but that's a work in progress, looking for that. So that's what I'm taking on our cruise. And these are some of the dresses that I'm taking with me on the cruise. So this dress is from New Look. I've had this for quite a while. It's all my dresses are quite long because I'm quite tall, so I can get away with it. So that's a really lovely leopard skin print dress. This one is from Apricot. Again, it's really long. Love Apricot, really nice. It's nice and floaty, gives you a bit of room for when you're eating all those cruise meals, so it can expand a little bit. It's like elasticated, so I love that one. This one is from a company called Love Roses. I'm not really sure where I had this from, but again, it's got a lot of room, so your tummy can expand a little bit when you've eaten too much. So that's a really nice floaty dress to wear. This one is from Wallis. This is one of my favourite dresses. Again, it's really long. It's one of my favourite ones. It's in the tall range. I've had it for ages. You do tend to get the same things out, don't you, when you go on holiday? This is another Apricot one. Love this because it's got pockets. Everybody loves pockets. It's sort of a bit gypsy-fied. So that's another favourite of mine. I have got that one in black as well, but I'm not taking that one. Then these are daytimey dresses, really. This is from Next. It's got like a frilly bottom. It only comes up to the waist. Up to the knee, sorry. And it's got like an open back there. So I thought I'd wear that for going down for breakfast, and sort of if things are a little bit more formal, maybe I might wear it when we go sightseeing, we'll see. I've got the same one in this colour as well. Then this one's new. I've only worn this a couple of times. This is like a sundress. This is from Next as well, and it's got pockets. Everybody loves pockets. So they are the things that I'm going to be wearing at night. And sometimes in the day as well. So on this cruise there's 4 formal nights. I think there's 2 each week. It's a 14-night cruise. There's 2 each week. Really excited to dress up. Dave is not so excited. So I've had to try and find some dresses that I didn't want to spend a lot on, like evening cocktail dresses, because when do you ever wear them? So I managed to get this one from a company called Bon Prix. So it's got like a tulle bottom and short sleeves, and it's really beautiful, and it's quite comfortable to wear. It's got a zip up the back, so I thought that was really good, and it only cost me £50. So if I don't wear it again, if we don't ever go on another cruise again, at least I could sell it on, and it hasn't cost me like £200. And then the next one is an absolute bargain. It's a Roman dress. It's actually orange underneath, and it's got like a skirt underneath, and then the black over the top. And this is from Roman, and I actually bought this off Vinted, and it cost me £20. So it's got a lovely like thing at the back there, like where you can pull it in, zip up the side. I'm going to have to wear this the first week though, because I think it might, by the second week, it might be a bit tight. So see how I get on wearing these dresses on the cruise. I will definitely show you what they look like when we're getting all dressed up. So there are some of the bits and pieces that I'm taking on our first ever cruise. Are we going to love cruising? Who knows? I think we will. I think it will be interesting. We'll enjoy it. And we'll probably end up booking another one quite soon. I am really looking forward to dressing up. I bought those 2 great dresses, which I'm going to love wearing. Dave isn't so keen on the dressing up bit. He's more of a casual guy, but we'll embrace it. We'll see what it's like. Looking forward to the food, looking forward to getting off and exploring different places. I know we're going to Santander, we're going to Lisbon, we're going to Madeira, all places I've never been to before. So bring it on. Really looking forward to it.